Alright guys, what's up? So today I've got a 2022 KTM 50 SX Mini for you, and not really any updates for 2022 on the 50 SX Mini from KTM. It's actually even the same graphics from 2021. Some of you guys will be familiar with this bike. For anybody new to it, this is your oil injected 50 from KTM. It is your most beginner level, most entry-level 50 or motorcycle at all that KTM offers. It's a centrifugal clutch, you know, it's automatic, can be adjusted. If you've got an absolute beginner rider, KTM does offer a power reduction kit for these through their Power Parts program. Now it is a liquid cooled bike, and the liquid even cools the crankcase on this model, which is pretty cool. Now these bikes are still built super well, guys. They have strong wheels, they come stock with the Maxxis tires, they have the WP exact fork that's, you know, was formulated for the Mini. It's a 35 millimeter, it's got 205 millimeters of travel. Fully adjustable rear shock, disc brakes, all that stuff. And since there was no updates to go over on this bike, I was going to go ahead and start it up for you guys and just let you hear it. Give you some close-up shots here for any guys that didn't see these in 2021. Definitely a sweet little machine. You can't go wrong putting your guy on one of these. If you're interested in one of these, email sales@aomc.mx and we'll see what they can do to hook you up. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe and like button to see the new 2022 models as they come out. Later, guys.